Good morning, Mr. Grumpfish.
Mr. Grumpfish, what are you doing here? Where's Mr. Grouper?
He's at the dentist.
What were you doing?
I'm your substitute.
Substitute?
Substitute teacher.
What did you?
Substitute is a teacher who takes care of you when the regular teacher is away.
He'll be back later.
But what are we going to do today? Are we going to do anything special?